So, this is the edge of one of the gun positions, the outside. I think that's just a storage place there. Over the other side of it, you've got like an octagonal. Almost high enough for you.
Almost. I'm short also.
You can see round the edge of it how the land was built up a bit around. The soil was packed in as sort of protection against any bombs come down or anything.
Yeah.
Is this thing even recording? Yeah. No, it's fine. Edge of it a little bit more here, actually. Ooh. Bit damaged, but anyway. Don't know what these posts are here for, probably just from when it was owned by the farmer. Concrete there, I reckon, underneath there. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
There's something to do with it. Bit more there.
Lovely.
Get into the.
Isn't it?
Well, yeah, that's just one of the gun positions. So it's like a mobile gun position there. So that's one gun position over there, and then there's the edge of another one here. This is the outside. What's that lump of concrete there? Top. Oh, it's just an old, possibly an old coal bunker, I think that. Maybe not, I don't know. Tiles. Path coast round here, so I'm guessing we can get in. Demolition there. Ah,
That's
it's like a mini Nissan hut. Not seen that before. Interesting. Yeah. Miniature Nissan hut must have been used for like a mini magazine for the gun position. Yeah. And I think, yeah, this is where the original 2 gate posts that actually go into the gun site. Up there is where the accommodation area used to be. It's all built with houses now. But this is the actual way into the gun site itself. Got the 2 posts still remaining. Weeds haven't grown up quite so much in the middle here because it's concrete track. Bit of concrete there you can see through there, through the moss. And I believe it would have gone round in a circle, so round there and round here.
a little path.
Yeah, this is the easier route, so we'll go down here first and foremost. I think this would have been a gun position here. Must have used it for cattle at some point or something, I don't know, I've got like a gate here, but all of this is just one gun position.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Don't know if we can get in or not, can we? Yeah, cool. So, gun would have been in the middle here.
Yeah.
And where are the... Can't see much because of all the weeds. hinge there, so there would have been a gate on the edge here. Great big metal hinge there. And I'm guessing another one over here. Just thought, I don't know. Quite chunky, isn't it? In a way, it's not sort of that old style build though, because it's concrete block.
Yeah.
So it shows it's relatively contemporary, even though it's 80 years ago when this was built, 1940 something, or possibly even just simply 1940. And I guess there'll be another one here, concrete that we can't see much of, but I think that'll be another gun position in there. See why I brought the secateurs, if we really wanted to have a bit of a look.
Yeah.
And what do we see there?
It's a pillbox.
No,
No.
no, not a pillbox. That is definitely not a pillbox.
Oh, you did mention it earlier. I just forgot. Was I listening?
Was you listening? This is actually a bit less overgrown than I remember before getting in here. So I hope the little chavs haven't been in. You alright, girl?
Yeah.
When me and that mate of mine were here before, that was really hard going getting across there. So there's room down there. See what I mean? It's more than a pillbox, isn't it? Eh?
It is a bit more than a pillbox.
So this is the command bunker for the gun station. Plotting room and all this and that. Original doors in place still. Little steps down. You might like this. It's all, you know, sort of cute and fluffy. Little steps going down to the little room. And down there is. Ugh. Put a hand down.
Alright.
This is the bunker. Ugh. You never know, there may possibly be somebody in here, so I've got to be a bit careful. Hang on a minute. This is what I brought this for. Shouldn't be doing this really, because it's actually security for any dodgy ones. You okay?
I'm cool.
Alright. Right. So that would have been the plotting room, the main room. I say get your torch out.
Not that it's much use.
Oh great, lovely. So that's that. And there's a couple of other rooms I think. This would have been the emergency exit door there. Electrics, whether that's the original or been added since, I really couldn't say. Yeah, I don't know when that was put in. That wasn't the original. No way. No way would that have been the original. So I don't know what each individual room was for exactly, but anyway. Have actually got the original door or one of the original doors still on the hinge there for the main entrance.
Are we standing on an original door as well?
Hard to tell, frankly. That would have been the emergency exit there, going out there, and I'm guessing a toilet or something. This is actually quite a big room, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, not bad size. I wonder what this was for here. Supporting something, obviously pretty heavy, but God knows what. Is that just some newer light fitting on the ceiling? Yeah, somebody's fitted electrics in it, haven't they, at some point?
Yeah.
Bit of a DIY job. Well, I did wonder if there might possibly be somebody camping here, you know. Anyway. Yeah, so that's pretty much that really. Just watch you can come through it if you want, but it's just got water around the edges. But the concrete in the middle's alright. That's it. That's it. So this would definitely have been the plotting room, where they would have had maps out and whatnot, I assume. Electric unit there, fuse board. Yeah, all that's been added since. Yeah.
Just to confirm the structure of it, I think.
Yeah. I'm relieved that there aren't more. Well, any bits of graffiti. I've seen one or two little bits, but nothing major. And I thought I saw one of the original doors knocking about somewhere. The other one. It might be this actually. Could be. No, that's timber. I don't think that can be. I thought I saw it a second ago. I don't know. Anyway. You alright, girl?
Yeah.
Get off the bloody brambles. Ugh.
Right.
Yeah, it's just irritating more than anything. And this ramp up here would have been the original entrance. Rather than going in the way we come, this here would have been the original way in and out. Just the ramp going down. But that's a little bit impossible at the moment. And well, I was just going to say, I think there would originally have been some equipment in here, because there's a dip in the ground there.
A nice little place for a garden party.
Yeah, or spotting equipment more like. And over there where the brambles are, I think there would have been something similar again. So yeah. Right.
Lovely day.
Ooh. Definitely people coming in and out of here.
Yeah.
More than there used to be.
Okay. People like us.
Yeah. People looking for concrete things.
Yeah. Big concrete things.
See more concrete track going somewhere. Oh, something through there, and so overgrown now, this place. Do you fancy trying to get through there, or is it easier going back the way we come and cutting through? Might be. Ooh.